Hidden batteries can mask a total loss of thermostat power and send you chasing the wrong problem. Here is what actually happens and how to handle it with confidence. Thermostats that accept batteries will often keep the screen alive and even click relays while the 24-volt control power from the furnace or air handler is dead, which means you can misread a blown fuse or an open transformer as a thermostat issue. Start by removing the batteries before any electrical checks, so the display truthfully reflects whether control power is present. With batteries out, measure voltage between R and C at the thermostat base using a reliable meter and look for roughly 24 volts alternating current. No reading means you must work backward to the indoor unit to check the low voltage fuse, transformer primary and secondary, and any float or rollout switches. If you do read proper voltage at R and C, call for heat, cool, and fan, and then check voltage from R to Y, R to W, and R to G during each call to verify that the thermostat is actually closing those circuits. When calls are correct at the stat but nothing happens, move to the equipment control board and repeat the same checks there to find any breaks between the thermostat and the unit, such as broken wires, loose common connections, or safety switches opening the circuit. The first common mistake is trusting a lit display as proof of live control power, which keeps you stuck on the wall when the real fault is at the furnace or air handler. Pull the batteries and test R to C so the display cannot mislead you. The second is jumping R to Y or R to W at the thermostat without confirming a good common, which can hide an open common path. Verify R to C voltage first, then use a small insulated jumper across R and the call terminal to see if the equipment responds. The third is replacing the thermostat too soon when intermittent float switches or a weak transformer is dropping voltage under load. Watch the meter with the call engaged and look for voltage sag, then correct the cause by clearing the drain, securing the switch, or sizing and replacing the transformer. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it simple to find local contractors who understand low-voltage control systems and can restore your heating and cooling quickly and correctly. We also help contractors connect with nearby homeowners, and we host an active community where people share troubleshooting tips, post project photos, and ask questions that get real-world answers.